Hi and welcome to an unboxing of Luna Island's merchandise. I think it has been a while since I've unboxed anything. I think it's mainly due to the COVID-19 situation. Many of the shipping were delayed and all. I've actually had a whole bunch of merch that I've received all at once, but it's too many. I decided not to do any unboxing for them. I'm just gonna do them on my own. So, well, that's unfortunate. But then today, this is what I've just received yesterday, and as you can see, what I have here is the what do you call this? The let's see this here. Okay, all right. Is called the multi pouch, right? And then I have the poster set, and I have the Polaroid set. So I've actually bought what I think I would be interested and would actually use. Unfortunately, the film photo set was kind of sold out by the time I got it through a supplier, so that it's unfortunate. But at least I got some, right? So um let's maybe start off with the multi pouch, right? This one. So let me zoom out a little, right? So this turned out to be larger than I expected. Actually, I was expecting it to be maybe mm, like a size of a notebook, maybe about this size, because I was hoping I could use this to put my music player, my earphones and all. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, it's really stuck to the wrapper. Okay, I think it's because it is made out of. Let's see, can you kind of focus? Try to focus on this. Yeah, so I think it's because of the PVC or polyester material. So, right, so straight up you can see this particular plastic material. I think this is what you call polyester or nylon. So that this is gonna catch a lot of fingerprints probably. And I'm not too sure about this material because these tend to become sticky over time. So I don't know, might not be a good idea. But I guess the idea here is for this to be waterproof, so you can actually bring this to the beach as per the theme of these merch. You're supposed to bring it out during your summertime. So let's have a good look at all the pictures that's drawn here. So I believe they are all drawings drawn by members of Luna, right? So you have some what do you call this? Tube float. Then you have an ice cream, some of Olivia's favorite fruit, some fishes, some corals. Yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so the zip is not really. It's a bit rigid here because it's square for some reason. Right. Okay. Okay. And what you have here is I think this is what you have your pen. You can put a pen right here. And then you have, you can say 3 compartments for your files. So yeah, this is what they meant by a multi-pouch. So now that I've seen the size, I believe that I might be using this for when I'm traveling. So I have my itineraries printed out and slotted in here. I might even have my passport in here. So this could be something that you use when you go on a overseas trip. Seems like good size because I think this is able to hold a A4 paper. Let me pick one up and maybe give you guys a look at whether it actually fits. So I just grabbed the A4 paper right from my printer just beside me. Okay, so right, so let me maybe slot it in. Okay, so not really, barely, because it's rounded on the ends, so it doesn't really go all the way in. So your paper might not be staying straight when you put it in here. So okay, yep. So that's all for this. Let's move along. Let's maybe move on to this one because this hasn't have any plastic. Okay, so this is the, okay, maybe I don't have to use the wide angle now. So this is the Polaroid set. Okay, so you have 23 pieces. Okay, so that's a weird number. So could be two of each member's individual photo and maybe one group photo. Oh, okay. I hope that I didn't mess up the order. Okay. Right, so let's start off by looking at the back. So they made some efforts to make it look kind of like a Polaroid with the black and the film side and the paper side. Okay. All right, so we have Heejin, really nice picture by the sea. And I think it's a bit glossy at this end. So I think this is really well made. I mean, this is a printed signature, but it looks pretty realistic. Okay, so next up, Heejin. So we have some really close up. Oh wait, why do I have two Heejin and sorry, we have Hyunjin. Why do I have two Hyunjin and one Heejin? Let me quickly just go through all of them. I might have messed up the order. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, so quick look on the first photo, Heejin. Another Heejin here. I like this better. Okay. Hyunjin. Really good photo as well. Lots of contrasts. This is a photo similar to Heejin's photo. Okay. Yeojin. Beautiful. Okay, I think I start to realize that I might have messed up the order a bit. So you have one photo by the sea and another one that it's somewhere else. Okay. Vivi. I think she has some glitters on her cheeks. Okay. Oh, this is really cute. Okay. Kim Lip. Yep, this is really nice as well. Oh, Jinso. So that's some glitter on her eyebrows as well. Really beautiful. So far it has been really worth the money. All the pictures are really well taken and well printed as well. So we have Trelly. Really nice. Okay. Eve. Okay. She looks kind of cold here for some reason. Oh my god, Chu. Really cute photo. So I think they took most of their photos in Jeju, I believe. Okay. Now you have Kowon. And Olivia Hay. Okay, and then you have the group photo. So really beautiful photo. Okay, so I think I might have messed up the first photo. So I think this is supposed to come first before this one. Okay, so that's 23 photos, well printed or really good material, cut material as well. So good job. This is worth the money. I can't really remember how much, but if anything, this is worth getting. All right. So last off, we have the poster set. So this is a size of a record, a vinyl disc album. So this is really big. So we can see that it is right here. Okay, poster set, and then you have 12. So unfortunately, Hasu definitely didn't join them. So I believe this is 11 individual photos and one group photo. So okay, so it opens up like this. Okay, so let's get it all out. Okay, let's start off by looking at the back. Okay, so I think the back is individual messages. So let's look at the front instead. What I'll be doing now is to lift up the camera so you can look at it straight down. Okay, so it might be a bit shaky, but this is how you get a better view. So a really nice photo. I think this is similar to the one we had for the Polaroid group photo. So this is really beautiful. And focus. Okay, so you have all the members' name and then Hasu is inside. Yay. So this is Sonyo, Dili, Manan, Yodum. So I think girls meeting summer. I'm not too good in Korean, but that's roughly how it's translated as. So you have Heejin with a really cute sun hat. Beautiful. I love the blouse. Okay, so she wrote a poem using Ida Sonyo. Okay, so not gonna read that. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. Hyunjin. Yeah, so another really cute blouse. All right, forgot. Okay, so I think all the members tried to write poems based on the LOONA Hangul name. So Idai Sonyo, and then they write poems. Oh my god. All of these should be available digitally so I can use them as my wallpaper. So this is Yojin, really beautiful. And she's grown so much over the years, like we can't believe it, right? And you have next up Vivi, really cute, and she has all the glitters on her cheeks as well. Still can't believe that she's the oldest member, right? Okay, and next up it's Kim. Sorry, it's Kim Lip. Okay, beautiful as well. You have a garland on her head. Okay, next up, this is Jinso. Okay, so the lighting is kind of weird, so it makes her here is a bit like brighter for some reason. It looks really weird on camera, but it's not that bad in person. Okay, still a really cute photo, just that maybe the sunlight is in a weird angle. Okay. Oh, Treddy, oh my god. I think they definitely did something to the color. The color looks really different from natural colors, but well, that's a really good color correction that they did. Beautiful. And then you have Eve. Not is this the blouse or is right? I was thinking that this could be the cape, But yeah, this is definitely a blouse. So she's wearing a yellow blouse here, or a dress here. Really cute. Oh, Chu. Okay, really cute. Chu. Okay, and then go on. Right. And lastly, Olivia Hay. Beautiful. Okay, so let's maybe end off by looking at the front photo again. So I think, yeah, I didn't really remember correctly, but yeah, they're all in really cute dresses. All right, so this is all that we have unboxed during this video. Okay, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.